how to see live subscribers count of any YouTube channel. If you want a live stream or want to just see subscribers count of any YouTube channel, no need to worries. In this video, I will guide you about 2 authentic websites through which you can do all this for free without any copyright issues. This will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskery and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up any browser in your computer. The first search for socialblade.com, and this exact website will be open. Copy that channel username of which you want to see live subscribers and paste here. Or you can simply copy full channel link and can paste here in this search box and press enter. Here you can see the whole profile of a YouTube channel. To see live subscribers, tap here and there you go. This website is pretty slow, but the other one is more accurate and absolutely insane. Again, search for live counts in the Google search in a new tab and open this first link. This website offers multiple social media live counts as we want to see YouTube live subscribers, so we will click on this YouTube icon. In this search box, we can type any channel username as well as channel URL. Once you will search, it will give you the channels list like this. Tap on that channel you want to see. Here you can see the subscribers count updating in every second. Also, this is copyright free site, so you can use anywhere you want. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.